Hey my friends, in this video you're going to learn how to make EDM with Suno AI. Okay, so this is the Suno interface. First things first, you need to switch over to custom mode. You'll see this gives you three main boxes to work with. I'm going to break down this tutorial into three parts. Part 1. Making lyrics with an AI. You can use any AI you're using right now. In this case, I'll use Gemini for the example. You're going to give it some info about your EDM song. Especially, you need to tell it the lyrical structure. Wait for it to generate. And done! You'll get some epic EDM song lyrics. Go ahead and copy those over to Suno. But wait, we can't use these directly. They often have some issues. For example, look here. It says vocal chop way too many times. So I'm just going to delete those. Also, here in the buildup, I see some extra adjectives inside parentheses. In Suno, using parentheses like this will often be interpreted as harmony or backing vocals. I'm going to delete those too. Part 2. Fast prompts for EDM styles. This is easy, man. Check my last video, link in the top right, and just copy the prompt from there and paste it. But maybe you're asking, how do you actually write the prompt? Well, you just write down some style adjectives here, and then you press the Improve button in the top right to get the improved prompt, and done. By the way, if you don't know the elements for a style, just ask your AI again. You can ask it to give you some EDM elements and tags. You can even just type, "Give me more." Alright, copy all of those tags into Suno, and then press the Improve button to get the final prompt. Done! Part 3. Setting up the advanced options. This is the most important part for controlling the quality of your song. For the negative prompt, you can just copy mine. It will improve your song. For vocal gender, this controls the vocal. In this case, I'll try female. We already have lyrics, so we can ignore that part. Now, for weirdness, this setting is weird. It's like a slider from commercial mode all the way to crazy mode. I usually suggest setting it around 55 to 65. For style influence, you could just set it to 69. You'll get the best result for no reason. And finally, press Create. If you liked that, or if you learned something, please hit that subscribe and like button. I will make more tutorials and share more prompts in the future so we can get sick together, my friends. Goodbye!